Hey friends, welcome to Kusadasi Life. I hope you're well wherever you are in the world. Well, the season is starting, so I think it's time to get out there and check out the restaurants and check out their menus for 2024. So today I've come to Terazza in the marina. Let's have a look around the restaurant, and then I'll share with you their menu for this season. Terazza is based in the marina shopping center, so it's a really nice restaurant. The menus outside. All restaurants are now by law required to have a menu outside the restaurant, but first let me show you the inside, and then I'll come outside and I'll look at the menu. Hello. So we have a nice bar area. Kitchen area, nice clean restaurant. So the restaurant is located right by the seaside. It is the wrong time for people. I've come here early lunchtime, but this place does get full at night times. Right, let's go out and let me share with you the menu at Terazza. Now they do have sports here as well, so if you want to watch football, they do have football and European sports. So let's now look at the menu for this year. They have a nice menu here, so obviously you have the breakfast, Turkish and English breakfast, omelets. Now if you just want a snack, there's the sandwiches and wraps. And if you like pizzas, there's a good selection of pizzas. And if you want something light, then of course there are salads. Look at their pasta dishes. Starters. And some of their legendary dishes: ribeye steak, lamb chops, and some Flemish foods, Flemish stew. Chicken curries, red curries. Quite an extensive menu, and if you're into burgers, again, nice burgers. Fish menus. Risottos. And there is a kids menu as well. Now, having a Belgian owner, of course you're going to get nice waffles. So this is the menu at Terazza. Nice restaurant in the marina area. So that's it, my friends. So we kick off the season looking at the restaurants and the restaurant menus for 2024, and today we've kicked off with Terazza. Over the coming weeks I will be going to the other restaurants and sharing with you their menus, some of the popular restaurants and some of the not so popular restaurants, to give you an idea of the menus and the food prices in Kusadasi for this year. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and share, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help me out a lot. So that's it, my friends. Until next time, take care, stay safe and stay blessed.